morning, sir. I am Prasanna. I am from 3rd BSc MCS.
And this is Saiteja from 3rd BSc MCS.
As a part of final year project submission, we came here with a project name Automatic Hand Sanitizer Dispenser. And this is our project.
This is the manual of our project. This is the certificate of our project. This is the index of our project. The index contains, the first one is abstract, second one is introduction, objective, principle, components, flowchart, description of components, circuit diagram, challenges, applications, result, conclusion, and finally references. The objective of our project is the demand for hand sanitizers has surged since the coronavirus broke out and spread around the world. Hand sanitizers are usually applied by squirting the sanitizer liquid when one presses a pump with one's hand. This causes many people to come into contact with the pump handle, which increases the risk of viral transmission. Some hand sanitizers on the market are automatically pumped. However, because sanitizer containers and pump devices are designed to be compatible only between products produced by the same manufacturer, consumers must also repurchase the container for the liquid if they replace the hand sanitizer. Therefore, this paper suggests the design of an automatic hand sanitizer system compatible with various sanitizer containers. The basic principle of our project is the infrared sensors of the automatic hand sanitizer dispenser detect the infrared energy that is emitted by one's body heat. When hands are placed in the proximity of the sensor, the infrared energy quickly fluctuates. This fluctuation triggers the pump to activate and dispense the designated amount of sanitizer. The idea for the first automatic dispenser was submitted by Gyeo-Cheon Sheo to be patented in 1989. The patent was under the name Automatic Cleaning Liquid Dispensing Device. The patent was issued in 1991. The components that are involved in our project are IR sensor, BC547 transistor, LED, 3 volts to 9 volts power supply, rechargeable battery, 1 kilo ohm resistor, jumper wire, glue gun, DC water pump, pipe, soldering machine, thermocol sheet, plastic container, etc. The benefits of our project are they have a modern appearance, so they draw attention, increasing compliance with hand hygiene practices. They were simple to install. They were simple to use, especially for people with issues reaching over countertops to reach the hand sanitizer dispenser. They deliver a standardized dose of hand sanitizer. They eliminate a common contact point to prevent germs from being transferred. Touch-free, preset increments, flexibility, etc. These are the benefits of our project.
Now let you know the working of our project in detail way. Basically, the basic components of our project are 9-volt battery and a TIP32C transistor and proximity sensor, a plastic container, connecting wires and 1 kilo ohm resistance. Now let us talk about the connections of our project. First, the main thing was the transistor and a proximity sensor, the connections. The transistor having 3 pins, namely base, collector and emitter. Now, a base terminal is connected to a 1 kilo ohm resistor, and that 1 kilo ohm resistor terminal is directly connected to the output pin of the proximity sensor. And then the next pin was collector. The collector was connected to the DC motor positive terminal. Then the emitter terminal and the positive terminal of the DC battery is directly connected to the VCC pin of the proximity sensor. And finally, the battery negative terminal as directly connected to the ground of the proximity sensor. This is the basic connection of our project in detail view. These are connected here as shown in the diagram. This is TIP32C transistor having 3 pins: base, collector and emitter. And this is the proximity sensor which is also known as IR sensor.
The applications of our project are reducing the spread of intestinal worms, schistosomiosis and trachoma, which are neglected tropical diseases that cause suffering for millions. And second one is reducing the severity and impact of malnutrition. And the third one is promoting dignity and boosting safety, particularly among women and girls. And fourth one is promoting school attendance. Next one is reducing the spread of antimicrobial resistance. And the final one is potential to mitigate water scarcity through safe use of wastewater for irrigation, especially in areas most affected by climate change. And there are few areas to be extended. They are public places, hospital, school and colleges, industries, office, factories, etc.
The automatic hand sanitizer device proposed in this paper is ultimately expected to contribute to contactless hand disinfection in public places and virus infection prevention. Additionally, it is economically and eco-friendly by decreasing waste emissions. At present time, the world needs this product. It is very demandable for smart and cost-effective devices. But if a hand static in front of the IR sensor, then it can always spray. It is a limitation of my project, which is not effective in optimizing the use of liquid sanitizer. In future, this project by using Arduino, which improve in the limitation of my project.
I convey my heartiest regards to our principal, PR Government College, Dr. B.V. Tirupaniam sir, and
our head of the department, Sri Krishna Prasad sir,
our lecturer in charge, Srikant sir. Thank you.